step one, Diet Coke, yum, and then pickle juice, and a couple pickles from my hand. Okay, and then some jalapeno sauce. Everyone's staring at me. And maybe a couple of jalapenos. The lady in the back is like, what the hell is she doing? Give it a little mix up. You want to try?
It's like randomly not bad.
Good. Oh, that one's really pickly.
It makes it less pickly. I'll add some more. Maybe it's like a sciencey thing.
How
far can we push it?
Yeah. That is